Okay, action. We are at the Portland Japanese garden, right, Suying? Well, he likes the fish. Look, he's looking over there at the fish. A lot of koi fish.
Non-natural, artificial. It's not, but Japan, they're really lucky.
Do they eat them at all?
They eat them.
They eat them?
Yeah. This is we call koi.
How's this?
They
Oh.
call them koi.
Yeah.
We call them.
Remember the
Just by once again, looking at the fish again. Okay, that's it. Bawang tila. Okay. Hi, Celine. Hi. At the Japanese garden here in Portland, Oregon.
Suyang. Suyang.
I think he's stuck looking at the waterfall.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.